Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install longer sprinting mode in Stalker 2. Longer sprinting mode allows you to reduce stamina cost for sprinting by 25%, 50% or 75%, which results in longer sprinting. To install it, go to the website, which is here. You can also find it in the description of the video, so you can easily click on the link. Then read this description. It explains that 25% stamina reduction cost will give you running about 33% further. 50% reduction gives you twice as far run, and 75% reduction gives you 4 times as far run. It also says that it changes the core variables .cfg file, so if you have another mod that changes anything in this file, they will conflict, so they may not work together. Then let's go to files, and you can choose your own, based on your preference, either 25% reduction, 50% reduction, or 75% reduction. I'm gonna select this 25, click on manual download. Then if you are not signed in for Nexus Mods website, click on sign in somewhere here. I'm already signed in, so I can just click on slow download. Then wait for 5 seconds, and after this time you can see that it's downloaded. You can click here to show in folder, then right click on your zip file, click on extract all, then click on extract, and you can see that the PAK file is here in this window. Then we're gonna copy it into the mods folder. To open the mods folder, go to Steam app on your PC. Then click on the right mouse button on Stalker 2 in your library and click on Properties. Then click on Installed Files, Browse, Stalker 2, Content, Packs, and here you may see the ~mods folder. You can only see it if you have created it yourself, and if you haven't yet and you cannot find it anywhere in the packs folder, then to create it, just click on the right mouse button, then click on new folder and name it ~mods, like that. But I'm gonna just delete it because I already have my folder. So let's open it. You can see that I already have some some mods here. If they don't cause a conflict, you can have multiple mods, and if they do, you'll need to delete some of them. Then let's open the window with the PAK file for sprint cost and just drag it into the mods folder. Now it's copied, so I can open the game and it will reduce my sprint cost. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.